sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel. It is Sugar here, and as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm switching it up on y'all this week. I really was just sitting around thinking, like, this is usually my time of year, you know, like mid-October, late October. I like to do something edgy. I like to push the limits, get out of my comfort zone. I feel like it's a great little time to do it because everybody's doing something a little bit crazy and funky because they're so happy it's fall. It's almost Halloween time, so you can kind of get that look out that you've been had on your mind, but you're just like, oh, I don't know, I'm kind of shy about it. This is the time to do it. So today I'm going to do what I love to do during this time of the year, which is a mullet. And she's synthetic, and I've actually had her for a year in this package in my wig closet. So we're gonna get into that today. Let's push our limits and let's get into it. Okay, and this is the packaging. Wigpop Jovi, and it won. She's 14 inches, and they show you what the front and the back looks like, and she does come in other pretty colors if you're wanting to get extra edgy. Okay, so this is her out of the packaging. She's a little chopped up in the back, and it leads down to that 14-inch tail. Okay, that's her little top. No lace here. Inside wig construction, you get 2 combs in the front on the sides, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Okay, this is a pop on and go type of wig. I'm really excited. Let's get her on. Ooh, I like it. Okay, she is silky. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I'm loving it already. Honestly, I thought I might have to like chop her up a lot, but I could be wrong. Okay, let's get a little, ooh, oh, I'm digging this. Okay, so might have to chop the bang a little bit, but nothing crazy. I like this right here. It's just giving like a little 90s flip. Love, love, love. And I do love for my mullets to have a 3D effect. Like, I like for the side to be given a little something, the front, the back, you know. I love for it to be a 360 type of experience. So let's see what we want to do with her. I do want to chop the bang because she is a little bit long for me. Okay, like, I don't mind that, but I need this in the middle to ease up a little bit, you know. So that I think is really pretty. Maybe starting at this point, kind of knocking some length off. But everything else is like really cute. Okay, so shears. So let's get into it.
Okay, ladies, so here I'm just going in with my shears. I initially was just cutting it across to get some of that length out of my eyes, so I just twisted it. It doesn't matter which direction you really twist it, but I twisted it to the left, and then I kind of bounced my scissors up and down as I was cutting to make it not be so blunt, but just to start getting that length the way I wanted it. And then as I gradually bring more hair down and cut it to make it that length, I started to twist the hair like I was doing, but I was taking the scissors pointed down to the floor and again bouncing them up and down to make it sort of jagged. And I just did that until I was satisfied. I'm gonna let you watch the process. If I can do it, you can do it. I am no pro when it comes to haircuts and things like that. I just know how to kind of get by. So if you have any tips and tricks, definitely drop them in the comments. We're here to help all the girls out, so definitely drop those down there. And I'm just gonna let you watch and vibe. It's not a serious video, and I'm gonna let this just play out in real time because some girls kind of need that, you know, if they get this wig, they might want to see exactly what I did. So I'm just letting it play out in real time, and you know, all the finger styling and the sweeping and the process is completely there. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll talk to you guys at the end of the video.
I'm liking this a lot. I really like all this, like keeping it chopped up around the face, a few slits in the bangs, like that. I like to have volume on the sides and not have it too flat in the back. But at the same time, this is silky hair, so I want it to still be like sleek, you know? And that's pretty much how I want it. Like, I don't want to do too much. I like to keep it really simple for you guys. Really, all I did was just chop my bang up. I kind of decided I wanted the bang to go more that way, but very subtle. So I cut it here and just kind of pushed it around. I like these little like broken up spots, so it's not like just a helmet, you know, but you get these little broken up pieces that are kind of jagged and cool. I like to fluff it on the sides and in the back, not to where it looks crazy, but you know, just to give it some finger styling. And I don't really care for this to be in the back because I almost wanted to cut it in the back, but then that wouldn't have made any sense. So I just let it feather around my neck, and whatever kind of falls back there is fine. Now I'm gonna give you guys a 360 really quickly. I think she's really cute, really funky. I hope this inspired you to do something fun. If you like this wig, the link will be down below. I just want to come on, do something fun, a little bit different. But yeah, little old Jovi, look at her. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell. And until next time, stay sweet.